Hello, my name is Alex. I'm a senior consultant with Analysis Prime. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to search for Datasphere models using the Select Model dialog. This is part of the latest QRC update for Q3 2023. What we'll be covering: how we can add a Datasphere model to a chart or table using the search functionality, how to search for a Datasphere model using the Select Model dialog. A little background on this feature. Users can now select Datasphere models by using the search field in the Select Model dialog. You can also search for a system or space and consume it in the data analyzer. This update brings this feature parity with the existing search functionality for SAP Analytics Cloud models. This is a snippet of where we can find this functionality. Let us go into the system and see how this works. I am now in the ACC system. I'll go to Data Analyzer, select from an existing model, and under My Files we'll have all the ACC models within this section. And to add a Datasphere model, I will select the relevant Datasphere connection. And you can see I'm presented with all the spaces that I'm a part of. Here I will search for a model using the keyword. As you can see, I am presented with all the models which have the word revenue. You can select your model and use this in the data analyzer. You can also add the Datasphere model to a chart or table. Select a chart, go into the Builder panel. As you can see, there's a model already added here, but I want to select a Datasphere model. So I'll go to Select Model. And again, I am presented with a similar screen that we have in the data analyzer. This is the Select Model dialog. I'll choose my Datasphere connection. At this point of time, you may be presented with a pop-up wherein you need to input your credentials. Once you input your credentials, you will be listed with all the spaces that are available. And you can search for your model using the keyword. And I will select this model. I'll add the revenue, customers, and you can see that I am presented with a bar chart which gives the revenue by customers. In the same way, you can select your table. We'll add a dimension to the rows, selecting customer and sales reps, and that is listed by the amount sold. Let's recap on what we have seen. We have seen how to search for a Datasphere model or a space using the data analyzer, how we can search for a Datasphere model using the Select Model dialog, and how to add the Datasphere model to a chart or table. Thank you for watching.